Hello teachers, this video is going to demonstrate the setup for the elementary science standards in your Infinite Campus gradebook. So after you've logged on to Campus, you'll need to make sure that you navigate over to the new instruction side, and once you're over there you'll need to click on the gradebook link. Once you're inside the gradebook link, you'll need to expand the settings chevron symbol, and the first thing you need to look at is your preferences here. You need to always select Use Canned Comments, and I always remove the sparkline graph just because I think it takes up room on my screen. If you like seeing that information, then certainly leave it there. The next place you need to go is the Grade Calc Options link, and here you'll see two sections. You see a Standards section and you see a Grading Tasks section. Where you're going to be recording all of your assignments and grades is on the standards. You won't use the grading tasks. So what we need to do is, under the standards section, we need to change it from no calculation to proficiency estimate rubrics. And the first choice that it pulls up in the box below is Power Law, and that's what you want to leave it on. Then in the grading tasks section, you want to leave that on no calculation. Then you'll click on the Save button. And so what you did there is you just set up the grading scale for the standards in your science class. Now you need to go create a category by clicking on this category link. And I don't have any categories yet in my science class, so I need to click on the Add button. And I'm just going to give it a generic name because all a category is like a folder to house your assignments in. So I'm just going to call it Assignments. I'm using a total point system, so I'm leaving my weight as 0. The next thing I need to do is place a check mark next to the Science section. And then down below, in where it says Select Which Standards, I'm going to use the top 4. The Observe and Measure, Classify, Experiment, Interpret, and Communicate. Notice the next 4 down are also those, but those are for your midterms. Okay, so we don't need to select those. After you've put all those check marks there, you just need to click on Save. And then you can close that dialog box and collapse your settings button. And that's how an elementary teacher will set up their gradebook for the Science Standards course.